Happy Monday, everyone. Joel Santiago here, service writer here at Charlie Car Care in Elgin, Illinois. It's Monday, it's busy, and we got work to do.
Today we have a 2015 Buick Encore. Today's customer came to us needing the battery replaced, and after looking into it, we discovered that not only the battery was bad, but the battery wire was bad that needed to be replaced. Fairly simple procedure. Didn't take long to get it done and get the car out of here, leaving the customer satisfied and happy. Come see us when you're ready, folks. We'll take good care of you.